Uncertain times call for superior cleaning solutions. To completely eliminate bacteria, mould, fungus and viruses, a two-step terminal cleaning process is required. The first step of a deep clean is with a neutral detergent. The second step, a thorough disinfection, is usually done manually. Until now, the second step in the manual process has been laborious and time-consuming. Disinfectant must remain wet for 10 minutes in order to be effective. And there's never a guarantee that every surface will end up fully disinfected. But there's a smarter way. Introducing Proxide for more effective hygiene. Proxide is a 100% biodegradable, certified organic hydrogen peroxide solution, which is non-toxic and environmentally sound. Unlike similar commercial products, it contains no silver, which can be harmful to humans, animals, and our environment. The solution is dispersed in a dry mist that is non-corrosive and leaves no residue. After the initial clean, simply place the portable automated vaporizer in a vacated room. Connect a bottle of Proxide hydrogen peroxide. Enter the room volume on the touchscreen to suit any room up to 1,000 cubic metres. Then hit start. Micro droplets effectively access all surfaces, disinfecting high, low and hard to reach spaces, including intricate keyboards and even inside drawers. It's suitable for all industries where hygiene is essential, from healthcare spaces, aged care and childcare centres, to schools, gyms and hospitals. It can be used in agriculture and even food preparation areas, as well as on aeroplanes, ambulances and all forms of transport: cars, trains, trams, buses, taxis. Proxide. Smart, safe hygiene.